Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the features, functions and specification of OPPO A54 5G mobile phones. This smartphone is available to different colors. First one is black and second one is blue. Main feature fingerprint sensor is attached at the right side of the body of the smartphone. Through this sensor we can lock and unlock the mobile phone. Upside of the mobile phone is clear. Nothing is attached here. Now if we look the left side of this mobile phone, two buttons are fit here. These buttons are used to control the volume and some other features. And a SIM jacket is also placed here. Two SIM cards and one memory card can insert in this jacket. If we look at the downside of the smartphone, loudspeaker, and jack and charger pen jack also placed here, and microphone is also placed here, as you can see on the screen. Like the OPPO A54, this mobile phone is also have 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. That is its internal storage. Now if we talk about its camera, its front camera is of 16 megapixel with very best results for video and images. Autofocused. Next we will talk about its main camera. Its main camera means its back camera is 48 megapixel. Through this camera we can take HD images with high resolutions, and we can record HD and 4K videos through this camera with very best results. At night time we can use its flashlight to record best videos and take pictures at dark. This camera is A1 camera with best lenses, as you are looking on the screen. The battery of this mobile phone is 5000 mAh, which can stand by for a long time. The size of this mobile phone is 6.5 inches and the weight of this mobile phone is about 190 grams. This mobile phone is built in 11 operating system with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM storage. The price of this smartphone is $395. So this was the complete review